Alright, y'all, we better rewind. We better take you way, way back. It's that No Grape Gang, you know what I'm saying? Maybe take a trip into the underground.
I bring back that sound, the kind that makes you go wow. Bass hit you with the boom pow. I'm party rocking with that old school style, bumping that underground ever since I was a child. Fresh like a farmer's market, I only wear shorts with no pockets. Y'all when the beats be mocking, well you better shut your mouth for it, zip it and lock it. I'm an originator, smooth flow creator, till the odd runs out of speed.
See, I've already said it. She's saying it. Tell her. Jeez, Mila. Oh!
Sound is classic like Coke, but I'm new like Mountain Dew. What's new? Stay dripping like Fiji. Overalls, one shoulder, BDG. Used to get clowned in school for my last name. Had dummies calling me Luigi. Don't test me, you don't want smoke. I'll lock you up and send the door like a knock-knock joke. Knick-knack, patty whack, give up all your stack. I hit the Foot Locker, blow a few racks. Tracksuit, Adidas, all black. Can someone please get me a snack?
That's nasty.
Hey baby, let's kick it later, maybe.